Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros without needing a fancy pastry bag. It's easier than you think, and you can use items you likely already have in your kitchen. We'll explore simple methods to create those iconic ridged shapes, ensuring your homemade churros are both beautiful and tasty. Get ready to impress everyone with these delightful treats, made with just a few common ingredients and a little creativity. Let's dive into shaping your churros. A simple, sturdy plastic bag, like a freezer bag with one corner snipped off, works wonderfully as a makeshift piping bag. For more uniform, star-shaped churros, a cookie press fitted with a star disc is an excellent alternative. If you prefer a rustic charm, you can even roll and shape the dough by hand. These methods ensure you can achieve great results without specialized equipment. Now for the perfect churro dough. Start by combining 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this to a boil, then remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of butter until a smooth dough forms. For frying, heat about 3 inches of oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry your shaped churros until they are golden brown and crispy, usually for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once your churros are beautifully golden, it's time for the finishing touches. While they are still warm, roll them generously in a delightful mixture of cinnamon and sugar. This classic coating adds a wonderful aroma and a sweet, spiced crunch. For an extra treat, serve your freshly made churros with a rich, warm chocolate dipping sauce. These homemade delights are perfect for sharing and enjoying with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.